Everybody says, Gabe, happy Friday. It's spring. It's April in Minnesota. And there must be, I don't know, 7, 8 inches right now at least at my house. I'm going to be running my snowblower right now before I go to work, just so I can get out even with my car that has all-wheel drive. Check this out. You can't see this super well, but last night there was no snow at all. And now there's like huge, massive piles of, this is like a foot of snow plus that the plow pushed by. So, welcome to Minnesota in April. Have a good one, everybody. Drive safe.